Indeed, this is a very, very memorable day for the state of Andhra Pradesh. What we have been looking for over the last 8 to 10 years has virtually materialized today thanks to the coordination and cooperation and the good rapport developed with Isuzu officials and all the other executive officials that are present here. As you have already heard, Andhra Pradesh is one of the most business-friendly states in the country. And to add to that, we have a chief minister who is very, very industry friendly. We have the best industry policy in the country which we can boast of. And a lot of surveys in the world have said that we are the best, one among the best to do business within the country. We have also to be proud of Isuzu, which is a global player in the automotive manufacturing sector, having accepted to come and set up in Andhra Pradesh in the district of Chittoor. We are really looking forward to this, and definitely myself and my department officials will cooperate to make sure that you do not have any problems at all. We are the pioneers of a single windows clearance system in this country, and we make sure that our investors do not have to run from pillar to post. As I said, we have the best industrial policy. We have a VAT reimbursement, which again for mega industries, which is any industry that is $50 million and above, we have tailor-made incentives for them, and so that among that, one of those happens to be Isuzu as well. I would like to share a good news with our friends from Japan, that we recently, under the dynamic leader, Mr. Chief Minister, our Kiran Kumar Reddy Garu, we had the Mahindra & Mahindra company inaugurate and roll out their first tractor in the district of Medak, which happened only a week ago. That's again a very major achievement for our state because we have been waiting for an automotive base to happen. Mahindra is also rolling out 1 lakh tractors per annum, and they are also setting up a supplier park, an ancillary park, very close to their manufacturing unit. And that's exactly what we were requesting Mr. Wakabayashi also to do through Isuzu, to have a supplier park next to your manufacturing unit. I'm very happy to hear that you will be also manufacturing 1 lakh units per year, and out of which it would be SUV and a pickup, and both are going to be showcased here right now. We are waiting eagerly to have a look at them. So with this kind of an attitude and always hand-holding policies here, we are doing extremely well in Andhra Pradesh. Today, even through the recession, our industrial growth has been much better than that of the national growth. Welcome you to Andhra Pradesh. I know you're setting up with 1,500 crores investment, and of course, promising almost 2,000 to begin with and 6,000 overall employment. That's a great thing, and the spillover effects of all this is going to be much, much more greater than the actual unit itself. That area will certainly change with a lot of employment and economic growth. Chittoor, which is a backward district, will certainly be benefiting a lot, and we expect much more that if you make it our base, we may have having not just these 2 vehicles, but many more of your vehicles, because you are a major in the global automotive manufacturing. We expect much more from you.